In this video, we will walk you through how to add approval rules to streamline your travel and expense management. With Peakflo, create rules based on users, categories, travel limits, or custom fields, and assign them to workflows to streamline even the most complex approval processes. Automatically add department heads to the approval flow based on each department. You can easily define rules based on expense category limits and expense report amount and add the right approver to the approval flow. To set up rules in Peakflo, go to Settings and click on Rules under the General Settings. Click on Add New and choose Approval Rules from the list of available rules. In the Approval Rules tab, you can define rules based on default fields and also custom fields. Add an approval rule name. In the Object option, you can choose a category, travel request, expense report, travel category limits, or any other custom fields. Depending on the value defined in the Object option, condition field may differ. If it's a numerical field, you will have the option to choose less than, equal to, or greater than. If it's a fixed value such as employee name, then you will have the option to choose is or is not. Depending on the Object option, value field can have numbers or text. Then field. In this section, you can choose approvers. In value field, you can add the names of your approvers. The approval rules work with a simple if X, then Y logic. For example, many companies would like to route the approvals to the right approvers based on department name and travel amount. This is an example to set approvals based on custom fields, such as department and travel amount. Another example is when you like to route the approvals to the right approvers based on expense categories. After you've defined the rule conditions, click on the Save the Rule button. For deactivating an approval rule, all you need to do is click on the toggle on top of the screen. You can activate the approval rule at any time. Activating or deactivating the approval rules is also possible from the Approval Rule view. For editing an approval rule, hover over the rule, and then a pencil icon will appear next to the rule's name. Click on the pencil and edit the rule. For more information, check out our help portal at help.peakflo.co or send us an email to support@peakflo.co.